In just 2 hours and 40 minutes, the unsinkable ship vanished beneath the freezing North Atlantic. More than 1,500 people died, and the iceberg was only part of the story. 1912. The Titanic was the largest moving object ever built by human hands. She left Southampton on her maiden voyage, bound for New York, carrying dreamers and millionaires. People called her practically unsinkable. That confidence would prove deadly. For days, other ships sent iceberg warnings. Many were delayed, ignored, or never reached the bridge. Yet the Titanic raced ahead at nearly full speed through a known ice field. The sea was glassy calm that night. With no waves, lookouts couldn't spot ice breaking the surface. And the lookouts had no binoculars. The key to the locker was missing. At 11:40, a wall of ice appeared. The turn came seconds too late. The iceberg scraped along the hull, buckling steel and popping rivets below the waterline. But here's the myth. The iceberg alone didn't doom the Titanic. Studies suggest the ship's iron rivets were brittle, snapping under pressure. They should have survived. Watertight compartments didn't reach the top deck. As one flooded, water spilled into the next. There were lifeboats for barely half the people aboard. Enough for 1,200, not 2,200. Worse, many lifeboats launched half empty, in panic and confusion. The bow dipped, the stern rose, and the great ship broke in two. In water near freezing, survival lasted only minutes. Help arrived far too late. So the Titanic wasn't sunk by one iceberg. It was sunk by a chain of human choices. Speed, ignored warnings, weak steel, and too few lifeboats. Overconfidence did the rest. The unsinkable ship taught the world a lesson we still study today. This is Fact Pilot.